In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out in Google Chrome, a helpful skill that can improve your browsing experience by tailoring the view to your preference. Whether you need a closer look at a web page's tiny text or want to zoom out to get a broader view, adjusting the zoom settings in Google Chrome is incredibly straightforward. Let's dive into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once you have it up and running, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window. Here, you'll notice 3 vertical dots. This is your menu button. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with a variety of options. This menu serves as your gateway to Google Chrome's rich customization features, including the zoom function we're focusing on today. Once you've clicked the menu button, look for the option labeled Zoom. This section is quite straightforward. You'll see a percentage number letting you know the current zoom level of the page you're on. Right next to this, there are 2 icons, a plus sign and a minus sign. These are your zoom controls. Clicking the plus icon will increase the zoom level, making everything on the page appear larger. On the other hand, the minus icon will decrease the zoom level, giving you a broader view of the page by reducing the size of the images and text. As you adjust, notice how the percentage figure updates to reflect the new zoom level. This real-time feedback is handy as it shows how far in or out you've zoomed. Typically, the default zoom level is set at 100%, which is the standard view. If you find this setting either too large or too small, these controls provide a quick and simple way to personalize the display to your liking. Beyond this, it's worth noting that adjusting the zoom here affects only the current tab or page. If you open a new tab or window, it will initially revert to the default zoom level unless you adjust it there as well. This feature is particularly useful for reading content online, viewing in-depth images, or simply making the browsing experience more comfortable. Also, this technique can be a lifesaver during presentations or screen sharing sessions where viewers need a clear view of detailed content. I hope you find this tutorial useful in enhancing your web interactions on Google Chrome. As you explore, feel free to experiment with different zoom levels to see what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore more tips and tricks to make your digital life easier.